Hi everyone, welcome to another of my videos. Okay, how to create presentation style videos from PowerPoint. About a video, okay, so I'm just going to cover all these things one by one quite quickly. So how to create them, how I edit them, what to look out for, and how to get some funny looking characters, the ones that I have now here, and I have different ones as well. Basically, I'm going to tell you the whole process of the video making I'm actually following and I'm doing. Right, guys, so let's begin. Okay, how to create video from PowerPoint. I'll show you that quickly now in a second. Okay, can you use the PowerPoint templates for your videos? Of course you can. You paid for software, and of course it comes with a template, so you can actually do them, you can change them, and of course you can put them up on a video as well. So there are different PowerPoint templates as well from different websites where you can actually download templates and you can use them, and I actually have done so a few because I'm actually running out of the templates that Microsoft has. Can you use the PowerPoint templates for making up thumbnails? Yes. My tech channel is actually based mainly on a PowerPoint templates. Thumbnails, but on my other YouTube channel I can't actually use them. I do use the PowerPoint to actually do it because the screen size is right. If you save the file in a photo format, it's just a widescreen template there is, and you can play around with them. Right, so how to actually get this video. So this is actually one of my projects. I speak about the free programming courses. I got point by point them. I actually describe, I show how they function, and if I want to make a video file, I just need to collect all of these, Control A on the left side, all the slates, and then I need to hide them. On the right hand side, if you click, the menu is going to come up in a second now. There we go. And you just need to select the hide slides. If you export them all together, then it's going to be a mess, and it's not going to come out very well. So when you've done that, I'm just going to go on the first one, and the first one I'm going to make sure that's not hidden. So now, yeah, it came up. Then you just need to go File on the left hand side. There we go, and then you need to go for the export. The export is here. And let's have a look. Yeah, so you just go and create a video, and yes, so this is the already widescreen. It's already video size. You just need to go just put some length in it. I usually go for 59 seconds, just about a minute, so they're not too short and not too small, the files itself. And when that's done, then you just tap the create video and save them as a slides 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which I usually do. That's my process, how I'm doing it. And then I combine them on the video editing software. Yeah, so you just have a separate slides folder, which I usually have for any project, and then you have all these slides and they're all here. This is how you actually convert them. And then of course you need to go ahead further. You just hide this slide, and then the next one you unselect it so it's not hidden, and you can export this file after that as well. So what's with the thumbnails? So this is actually a thumbnail I created myself. I changed it a little bit. You can see background is something else. So if I just delete this, then this is actually what I'm doing. Then I'm just delete it. I actually work in here, so you have this different picture. I work with the pictures here as well, and I'll change as simple as this. I change everything there. And the logo for this video, let's have a look actually. So Bruno-Tech itself, this is my YouTube channel, and it has lots of good few videos at the moment, not lots of, and actually I've used all of them on a PowerPoint. Basically all of them, and it works very well, and different ones as well, and you can see. But aside for crew, which is I actually speak about the jobs and the cruise ships and all this, you can see they kind of repeat but with the title different, because yeah, I can't really use anything like technical or anything like that, and just need some pictures, so I'll change them, and I can't use the templates. Well, I actually using the templates, but they're not like very versatile as one on the other YouTube channel. So that's about the thumbnails, that's about the these things as well. And as you can see, if you're just gonna go File and you're gonna go for the new, and it's gonna give me the templates, and this is the one I was using for this video. Just double click on it, and you can create it as simple as that, and then you just make adjustments like I did. Let's have a look. I did a title change, and of course I worked in a spreadsheet and all this, and if you come up, that's what it is. You of course delete the other slides which you don't need, and then the ones that are coming up, you can already work on them, and you can create your template, your thumbnail. As simple as that. This is a little bit slow at the moment. I don't know what it's gonna figure out yet. It's coming up slowly though. I have lots of windows open at the moment, that's the problem. Let's go, and of course you go here where the title is and use this new whatever there is. You can just work in a template itself. Just change the template. Now I'm just, there we go, we'll close this one, and then we can work again, and there we go, the title. So new video, and that's it, as simple as that. And then you're just gonna go save, and you're just gonna go file, save as, and then you're just gonna save it as a JPEG file. We're gonna go browse, and of course the title is this new video, and just it's save type, you're just gonna choose the JPEG, and that's gonna be your thumbnail. As simple as that. Right, so we'll just cover these things after transfer. This is the basic things at the beginning, and of course how do I actually work and how do I make a process of the video itself. Well, basically storytelling, it is like, if you know what storytelling, this is how it looks like. So you just make a scenario, what you're gonna say, and all this. This is from actually Adobe course itself. So basically what I'm doing is, I have my helps, is I'm actually recording my screen and my video. So let's say this is my video, I'm recording my screen and I'm recording my slides as well, so I know what's happening where.
They have everything in one software. So and actually they made a course, and the
there's screen recordings,
this is how you work down the list, and then you need to do projects like create small websites, like some
and then I know which slide comes here. So basically, okay, I'm just gonna get a video intro. That's the one here. I'll put it on out the front, of course. So it's gonna be starting the video. Okay, so it's, there we go, and then I'm just gonna have my video, the one that I actually created, recorded on my screen. So this comes here. So as simple as that. If I just run a video now, it's just gonna go now. So you do need a video editing software, and I'll tell you there's an alternative which I actually used before this. So when you play the video itself, it's gonna start with a playback. So, and I have all the recordings, so I have all the recording on the background, so I know which slide comes where. You can see on the left hand side I have all my slides. So, and you can see now just the slides coming up, and I know I need to put the first slide in, and I'm just gonna drag my first slide, and this is the beginning of the video itself. So I'm going to go on the front and let's forward. I can see narration is in the background. I'm going to switch off the sound at the moment, but this is how it works, and then you know which slide you need to put in when. So it already starts with the slide, the one that I put in, and there you go. So it's a bit slow, but that's how it works. And then of course when you work down further, you can actually go the other mode. You can switch off the slide, then you know the already second slide needs to be there, so of course you do the length of it, and then you can just put the second slide in, and of course you can put the background music as well, and everything works. So if you don't have a Premiere Pro, you not really want to pay for it, this is Filmora Wondershare, and this is a video. You can see it looks like the same. I actually used it at the beginning before Premiere Pro, and you can have like all kinds of things here. There's like 3 things, and it's easy. You can see the layout is pretty much the same. I have sample videos, sample music. You already have there's by the theme of the music. You have to do the text, the visual text as well. Then transitions, and this is about 75 dollars, and it stays by you, so you don't need to pay monthly. The filters, overlays, all these things, and as you can see, as I showed you, you can just drag and drop these things in a timeline and just start working away straight away, to be honest. And of course that's the file, and of course there is the preview here as well. So that's about editing. This is how I'm doing it, and of course storytelling and all these things. What else? Where to get the cool characters like I use, like the one you can see here. I actually do it on the PNG tree. PNG tree, like a tree, like a Baum, like a German, and of course this is the website, and it has lots of things, and you just need to type in what you want to look for. This PNG template, so you have already background, is already clear background, and you can use them. And if you just type in, like, let's say I typed in a businessman, so these are the things that come up. And if you just want to, like, let's say if you just want to select one, then the other ones by the same author, or even other people actually working on these projects. So there you can find they're loosely actually spread out, but if you just go select one, it's gonna give you the matching characters as well on the right hand side. And I'm just gonna wait for a second for it to load. And the problem here is actually you can use them for your projects, but if you want to use them for monetary things, like if your videos have advertising, then you need to actually pay $1.99. And free ones, you're actually limited only to 2 characters per day or 2 graphics. If you have this $1.99, you can use it forever, unlimited downloads, unlimited permanent access to the products, and valid commercial licenses, so it's valid for commercial use, even if your company want to use it, and that's how it is. And this is the character I mentioned. This is a big one, that's where you start to download it. You do need an account, and on the right hand side top, as I mentioned, this is they show relevant characters. So you know this character looks the same, different view, and it just goes more and more of these suggested characters you can get actually, which for the same theme. And there's, like you can see this one here, you can cut out the 6 characters there as well altogether. Right, so this kind of actually completes my process of how I'm making a video. By all means, I'm perfecting it a little bit more better, and I'm getting faster, and I'm thinking about new features and about new things to actually have and include in my videos. The characters as well, as I mentioned, I have lots of these I have downloaded with the background, and I hope this video helps you understand the process I'm doing the presentation videos. And if you're into it, I'm sure I'm happy to just help out and tell you how I'm doing it. Well, that completes the video. I hope you enjoyed the video, and as always, thank you for watching.